Hello everyone and welcome back to Blender tutorial series. In this video I'm going to discuss about creating landscape using an add-on which is already present in the Blender. So first we are going to delete this default cube by pressing X, delete. Now we will go to edit menu, preferences, and in the add-ons we will search for landscape. So landscape is already there. I have already enabled it. If it is not enabled, please enable it and close it. Now press Shift A, go to mesh and then to landscape. Then at the bottom left side click on another noise tool, landscape. Here you can change the parameters of landscape. Subdivisions X. As you increase from 128 to something like 500 or 1000, the number of vertices and faces will increase. So keep this point in mind. For low poly models, low poly landscape, the subdivisions has to be less. And again the subdivisions Y, it's the same thing. Mesh size X. The more you increase from Z to something, it's going to increase the size of landscape along X direction. And same thing for mesh size Y for Y direction. Now noise type. You can experiment with all these things. Noise type. Different noise types will give different terrains. Turbulence is a good one which I usually select, and noise basis, you can experiment on these things. These selections are based on your requirements and random seeds. And offset, the movement of you can see as I increase the number, the terrain moves on the landscape, the hills. And offset Y, the same thing. And size X, I suggest you to change these parameters and experiment by yourselves. And display settings, height, the height of the landscape, and the maximum, the minimum, and fall of X, fall of Y. And you can also add the water plane. As soon as I click on the water plane, you can see one plane is created, landscape plane, on which you can add water material and you can create the full landscape with water.